Our good friends at Ferguson Waterworks have asked us to participate in a short 5-minute segment during their vendor day in Southern California. And our company is Total Piping Solutions. We're 75 miles south of Buffalo, New York. We're a domestic manufacturer of clamps, couplings, tapping sleeves, line stop fittings, specialty fittings, corporation and abandonment fittings, and the ultra sleeve encapsulation sleeve product line. As we move forward with this video, if you have any questions, ask our hosts. They can fill you in relative to more product information, or you can call us at the information that will be listed on the video.
I want to talk a little bit about the ultra sleeve and the quick sleeve, which are pipe repair products used to encapsulate various types of joints. It's a full under pressure repair device. Either device can be used on all different kinds of pipe. The ultra sleeve is a much wider range than the quick sleeve, as you can see from the depiction here on the slides. And I think you'll find that both products work very well on just about any kind of joint. We're supplying these to various utilities throughout North America. It's a quick install, it takes less than 30 minutes, and a very, very easy way to eliminate having a shutdown. Now, if you have a push-on joint with a rolled gasket on either PVC or ductile, you don't have any problem encapsulating the joint with this type of device. They're intended to go over all types of devices, including old repair clamps that might be leaking. That could also include the encapsulation of an old coupling, single bolt, multi-bolt, any type of old device that might be leaking on the joint. Not only that, but we've got the ability to encapsulate flanges and a few other things. Now, the gasketing on the quick sleeve is a single layer gasket. It is wide range. However, on the ultra sleeve, it's a 2-layered gasket. The inner layer is for metallic pipe diameters, and the outer layer is for asbestos cement pipe diameters. So it's a pretty slick sizing system that allows you to quickly and easily install it on the pipe. Next up in our presentation, we want to show you how to install both the quick sleeve and the ultra sleeve. I just want to jump in to let you know that this is a demonstration on a piece of IPS or steel diameter pipe. One of the essential things to remember when you're installing either the quick sleeve or the ultra sleeve is the use of lubrication. Each half of the ultra sleeve and quick sleeve are equipped with a 3/4 inch IP port that allows for one port to be plugged, the other port to be left open for pressure reduction. When you begin the installation of the product, remember that there are 4 longer bolts and the balance of the bolts are shorter. The longer bolts are used with any drive. They are used to speed up the cinching process and make sure that when you're tightening bolts, always tighten the bolts to 75 foot-pounds of torque. The other thing you might want to notice here is that the total installation time is less than 30 minutes, and it only took about 11 minutes to get both halves bolted up.
Yep. Any leak? There's no leak this side by the looks of it.
So one of the other things we wanted to really quickly present forward was our capabilities to produce other products. One of the things, in addition to tapping sleeves, wide range service saddles, is a 2-bolt coupling called the TX3. The TX3 is available from 2 through 12 inches in diameter. It's rated to 275 PSI, which is the highest in its class. And it's equipped with a unique 2-stage gasket where the inner layer is left intact for IPS, ductile, and cast iron pipe, and it's removed for your AC pipe diameter. So the unique thing about this is if you take the layer out, the layer is fully reinsertable. You can put it right back in the product. So if you make a mistake on sizing, put it back in and you're back to new. So the other product we want to make you aware of is QuickCam wide range repair clamp. It's got 8/10 of an inch range instead of 4/10 of an inch range. It's available from 2 through 54 inch diameters. Everything is pressure rated from 2 to 12 inch diameters are rated to 200 PSI, tested at 300, and then everything carries a pressure rating right up to 36 inch. Above that, you need to call the factory for the pressure rating. So at this point, I want to turn the presentation back over to our good friends at Ferguson Waterworks. They've been gracious hosts today, And if you have any questions on our products, call Total Piping Solutions or get a hold of your local Ferguson Waterworks branch. Thanks.